Music's always been a big part of our lives.
It's actually what brought us together.
Her band opened up for mine.
Yeah, but we stole the show.
Does it matter? Only like 10 people were there.
Music isn't our sole focus anymore, but it's still important to us.
We do try to make sure our kids know about the classics.
We don't spend a lot of time looking back, though. Because honestly, not everything was better back then.
We have a band. So maybe we're not exactly where we thought we'd be 20 years ago.
That's okay, because where we ended up is a million times better.